Welcome back to another episode of Let's Teach Stuff.
Brought to you by Integrator Inc.
I'm Landon.
I'm Logan.
My name is Bilal.
So, superposition means that it can be two states at the same time. So,
Good job.
yeah, thank you. I remembered. Quantum is for the atomic and subatomic particles.
Yeah, it explains the energy of material at the subatomic level.
Because everything else is at a classical level. Like because they're bigger. Like this helmet, if I throw it up, what's it gonna do? It's gonna go up until its turning point and come back down, right?
Yeah, gravity.
Because we've witnessed a bunch of things like that happen, right? You throw a ball, goes to the turning point, comes back down.
Yeah, because of gravity.
Throw your pen, whatever. Yeah. But the smaller objects, the objects we can't see, work a little bit differently. So I'm gonna explain Schrödinger's cat. So you guys heard of it?
No.
Alright, so
Sounds like is it a smart cat or something?
no. Sad time for the cat. Actually, it never actually happened. So there's a scientist named Schrödinger, and he had a theory where you put a cat like in a box or something, and you put it in a device that has a 50% chance of killing it.
Oh.
Theoretically, it's either gonna kill it or it's not.
Okay.
Like within
Just
the
a
hour.
box.
Yeah,
what kind
like-
of box?
Just any box. And the theory is after an hour or whatever, the cat is both alive and dead because you don't know.
It's
the
undead.
possibilities.
Oh,
It's
Because
undead.
it could be alive, could be dead.
just like a probability thing.
Yeah. But so
Okay.
far as you know, it's alive and dead at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Until you open the box, then you can confirm.
Oh, okay.
It's a zombie.
It's just- Why is it a cat?
Well, I don't know. The main focus was that the cat is either alive or dead, and you don't know until you open up the box and confirm it. How the entanglement, the quantum entanglement, comes into play is, let's say there's two boxes, two cats, two experiments, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And they were separated, different parts of the world
Mm-hmm.
or universe or whatever. So there's four outcomes, right? Both cats are alive, both cats are dead, or one is alive, one's dead, or vice versa.
Okay, but how would it being in different parts of the world make any difference?
Because they're entangled. Automatically, you can cross out that they're both alive and both dead. They're either going to be alive and dead, or vice versa.
Okay.
So, because they're entangled, the bombs have to,
The bombs.
or whatever, the device that's going to kill them, they don't work in sync, so one is alive and one's dead.
I thought the box was the device. I thought it was
Nope.
they were gonna suffocate.
They're in a box. I mean,
Yeah.
but
So there's two different cats.
two different
There's
boxes.
bombs that are both gonna kill the cat.
Theoretically, 50% chance. But they're entangled because the bombs or whatever's going to kill them,
Yeah.
since they're in different parts of the world, how can they communicate which bombs don't go off? They're entangled. So at a closer level, you know how a gear works? You put two gears together, you spin one clockwise and the other spins counterclockwise.
Yeah.
That's how this works. An arm's don't spin
Mm-hmm.
this way.
Mm-hmm.
The other arm's don't spin this way.
Mhm.
Being close apart, because they're entangled, they don't follow that law. And that's the core of quantum science.
Huh.
Seems complicated.
Okay. Tell me the law again. So say the law.
The law.
So how does the law apply to it? Just go over that part again.
So we got superposition and then the entanglement.
Okay.
Those are just the two ways how quantum drives into it.
and they're entangled because they can't both.
They can't communicate which one's gonna go off and which one isn't.
Yeah.
But why does that matter? What's the significance of that?
Because they can't both be alive and they both can't be dead at the same time. So either if one's gonna be alive, the other's gonna be dead.
But there's two bombs, so couldn't they just both be killed? But then how do they affect each other? Why are they?
Because
how
Why
is
is two bombs in like completely different places affecting each
Yeah,
other?
and
Like,
how
what-
is the location gonna make any difference?
it's been tested in a lab, is what I was told. I don't know about no tests. But they according to TED Talks, they have tested this in a lab.
Huh. So even though they're completely separate, they work like gears.
Yeah, because of their entanglement law.
Alright, entanglement law. Okay.
That's not the name for it, but the law of quantum entanglement.
Quantum entanglement. Okay. Alright.
Good deal.
Do you have anything else to
Yeah,
tell
it's
us?
quiz time.
Quiz time?
Best of 3 wins. Alright, let's explain to the viewers. First, who is the scientist who had the theory about the cat being a lavender?
Schrödinger?
Yes.
Okay. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Cool. Second question. What defines superposition? Yes.
Yes, I do. Okay, it is 2 different states at the same time.
Yeah. Alright, and 3. What is no, I'm not
Yes.
gonna do that one. What's another one? And then
This quantum series, man, it's getting to us.
yeah, true or false, quantum information, like everything quantum is for atoms, or therefore molecules bigger than an atom, or subatomic particles.
Yes.
Shoot, I don't even know.
Yeah, because you said quantum is describing things on the atomic and subatomic level.
Oh, that's true. I meant like bigger things, like
Landon just invalidated his own quiz.
I mean like, can you? Never mind. We don't scratch that.
Alright. Anything else to say?
A day ago, I knew nothing about quantum mechanics. Don't come at us. Leave a like.
don't come at us.
Leave a like if I did a good job.
Oh yeah, and stay tuned for the next one because then we're going to be talking about quantum physics.
Yeah,
And
that's
gonna,
cool.
yeah, and that's when things are going to get interesting.
Oh, really? Thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe. All
Hit
right.
that like button.
We'll
See
see you
ya.
in our next video. Peace.
Peace.